After Irrawat Foundation and the local residents imposes a ban on the construction of NIT complex at KHWAIRAMBAND, influential people have reportedly taken over the place, reducing the arable land area. Several Manipur-based civil society organizations have urged Prime Minister Narendra Modi in a memorandum to urgently ratify the United Nations Convention Against Torture and other cruel, inhuman and degrading treatment or punishment. Manipur Heart Foundation, in association with Sky Hospital and Research Centre Private Limited and Sanjembam Khunau Development Club, Imphal East, conducted a one-day free heart camp at Sanjembam Khunau, Imphal East. A total of 120 patients, including children below 18 years of age, were given free heart OPD, free ECG test to 30 patients and free diabetes detection test to 52 patients. Imphal West Police today seized goods sold on footpaths and other tracks in Imphal KHWAIRAMBAND Bazaar. The government during the current session in Parliament tabled figures which show the unemployment rate countrywide, where Nagaland topped the list with highest rate of unemployment, which is at 21.4%, whereas Meghalaya is listed as the state with the lowest rate, standing at 1.5%. According to the periodic Labour Force Survey for 2017-18, other than Nagaland, the other northeastern states with high unemployment rate are Manipur and Mizoram. Meghalaya's Congress MLA PT Sokmi urged all legislatures and MPs from the state to stand united to ensure that the state has a central agricultural university. Sokmi, who is the opposition chief whip, told media persons that Meghalaya should not lose the university when around 200-acre land has already given at Kirdamkullai in Ri-Boi district for the purpose. The Health Index 2019 released by NITI Ayog makes the important point that some states and union territories are doing better on health and well-being, even with a lower economic output, while others are not improving upon high standards. In the assessment during 2017-18, a few large states present a dismal picture, reflecting the low priority their governments have accorded to health and human development since the Ayog produced its first ranking for 2015-16. Congress President Rahul Gandhi yesterday rejected the pleas made by his fellow Lok Sabha members to stay on as the party chief. During a floor strategy meeting of the Congress Parliamentary Party chaired by Sonia Gandhi in the morning, Tiruchirappalli MP Subburaman first raised the issue of his leadership and asked him to continue. Up to 75 tiny satellites built by students of Indian universities could fly to the skies between late next year and 2022 in batches. 75 by 75 is the dream project that the Indian Technology Congress Association has conceived to celebrate the nation's 75th birthday, which is also to be the year of Gaganyaan, the first trip of Indian astronauts to space. G20 host Japan hopes world leaders will endorse a deal on marine plastic waste and find common ground on climate change, but its own environmental record is under increasing scrutiny. Activists say Japan has fallen behind on reducing plastic consumption and is caving to US pressure to water down language on climate change to achieve a unanimous statement on the issue. US President Donald Trump is looking forward to speak with Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi about the recent increase in its already high tariffs against the United States. This is unacceptable and the tariffs must be withdrawn, Mr. Trump said in social media today. A jury sentenced a North Texas father to life in prison yesterday in 2017 death of his 3-year-old daughter, whom he claims choked on milk before he panicked and placed her body in a culvert. As per the report, the Dallas County jury deliberated for more than 3 hours in the punishment phase of Wesley Matthews, 39, in the death of SHERIN Matthews.